Good morning, student. Myself, Avinash Singh. I am going to take a class of Number System and Introduction, Chapter 2 of Class 7th Middle School Computer Studies. In this chapter, we will have an introduction class of number system. What is number system and basics of number system only. Okay. The key concept in this chapter we will read about two things: introduction to number system and number system conversion. Conversion of two things only we will do: binary to decimal and decimal to binary. We will discuss in afterwards. First, here we have introduction to number system. As long as human beings have been around it, they needed to count things to keep track, and they tried to represent the things that they counted. For example, for keeping track of the number of days it did not rain, they would have probably used pebbles or sticks or different marks of each position date. And to understand the count, they gave names to the numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on. In every language there would be a different name for the numbers. This method took a long time, space and understanding to solve this number system was invented. Numbers is a very important thing, as we have read here. Numbers need in everywhere. In earlier days also, people are counting their days, how many days have gone, how many days left, like that, by the numbers only. They first of all they are using sticks and pebbles, small stones, to counting the days, one stone for one day, like that. Now further they have decided to name them. Name them means one pebble they have decided to say 1, then 2, then 3, then so on. Numbers are going on invented. Then what is number system? Number system is a way to represent the number which is turn represents a quantity. Number system एक number बोलने का एक तरीका है, the way of numbering representing a number, and this number indicates the quantity. How much? Quantity means you know ना, कितना है तुम्हारे पास, means 5, 3, 7 chocolates, 5 chocolates, 7, 8 chocolate, 9 chocolate. Quantity. It will show you the quantity. Need for number system. Need for different number system. We have a different type of number system. For example, here we have some number system. First we have binary number system, which consists 0 and 1 only. Second, we have octal number system, which consists 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Decimal number system, which consists 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hexadecimal number system, which consists 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. The name only indicates how many numbers should be there. Binary means 2. So we have only 2 number, which means base is equal to 2. Only 2 number, 1 and 2. Only 2 numbers are there, 0 and 1. Octal means 8. Octal means 8. 8 means 8 numbers should be there. If we start counting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number. That means it has a base of 8. Base means it can consist only 8 numbers only. Decimal means 10. Decimal means 10. 10 means quantity should be 10. Quantity should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are starting from 0. That's why we are always ending from up to 9. Here it has a base of how much? 10. Base is 10. Hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal means 16, because decimal is there. Decimal means 10, or hexa means 6, means total 16. 16 in 16, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have 10 numbers. After that we are using ABCD, other 6 digits. ABCDEF we are using. Why we are using ABCDEF means, if we write here 10 after 9, if we write here 10, which are our normal counting, 10 will the mixture of 1 and 0. Therefore this number should be not repeated. We are using A, B, C, D, E, F. Here A represents you 10, B represents you 11, C represents you 12, D represents you 13, E represents you 14, and F represents you 15. Therefore we have total number how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So base should be how much? 16. In hexadecimal, base should be 16. There are the 4 type of number system we are using in our life, in our computers. Now we have a question here from our book, that need for different number system. What is the need for this different number system? 1 2 3 4 4 type of different number systems are there. What are the need of these systems? Different number systems are more optimal for different specific purposes. Following are some specific scenarios for their needs. If there are different number systems, means they have a different work also. That's why they are a different number system. What are the different works they are doing? Because of that we are using that. Computers work on electricity. Everyone knows computer works on electricity. Some examples are given why we are using different number system. Everyone knows computer works on electricity. Current flow is easier to control with 2 value on and off rather than some 10 different values. If you have to on a fan, you just go to the switchboard and switch on the fan. If you want to off, you off the fan. That's the 2 simple things which we are doing for supplying current. Electricity. For electricity supplying, we are using only on and off switch. If for example you have 10 different values, means 10 thing. In fan also we have our regulators which control 6 type of fan speed. In that one also. But current supply is of only 2 type, on or off. So if we have current supply also 10 type in different value, it will be a confusing one. That's why in current electricity part we have only 2 things, on and off. 2 means on represent 1, off represents 0. 1 or 0, here we have explained that 1 or 0 we considered in binary numbers. That's why binary number system is used on electrical circuits. Electrical circuits, when we are making, we are using binary numbers. Means here we are using binary digits. Different numbers, first one, binary one we are using. User experience. User experience means a web developer cannot create an electric circuit which produce a web page or many web pages that have beautiful designs for with text boxes, buttons or radios, buttons, etc. in the screen, on the screen, and a web developer or a normal user will be accustomed to use decimal system and would not use the binary system for entering the data. So to solve this, different type of number system need to be communicate and work with each other. User experience means here we have 10 digits. For example, our decimal number is there, 10 digits we have 0 to 9. 0 to 9 we are using for different purposes. Okay, if you are creating a web, you are a web developer, you are designing a web. When you are designing a web, there should be not only 2 things, on or off, or 2 colors, or no, not the 2 things only. There should be more things to make it attractive to the customer or to attractive to the user. Therefore, we are using decimal system which will give you 10 different type of facilities, 10 different values which will be used to make your web. It will be more attractive, text boxes, buttons, etc. So many things we can put in our web designs. So in this web design only, 2 things. If you are using binary number, it will be odd or old like facility. Only 2 things are there, not interested, like that it will be. Okay, now we have digital hardware. What is digital hardware? Digital hardware expressing anything in binary would need to be used many bits. Anything you are using binary, anything you are expressing in binary number, you need many bits, which is not a good idea as it could consume more memory. Hexadecimal allow you to use 4 times fewer bits. Processor word length is minimum 4 bits. So hexadecimal become the most common system when expressing number of large value, and it is almost suitable for digital hardwares. Digital hardwares, for example, here we can see, if I will tell you a thing, for example, buy. If you want to write buy will be in binary for 00111211000001, like that it was showing you buy. This will be so long, and if the more numbers, more storage. What? More number, more storage. So there in binary this is a one demerit for the big numbers. A small name only, but the numbers will be big. Binary digit conversion will be big, and it will take more storage. Now in hexadecimal, what they do, hexadecimal, they write is like a C F finish, means like that, small one only. Okay, in small letters also we can finish. It will take less storage. Therefore nowadays for more what they are telling, hexadecimal become the most common system when expressing number of large value. When we are using a large value, the hexadecimal is the most commonly used number system. Most suitable for digital hardware. This is more suitable for digital hardware. For example, here it is given. For example, 11011010 is the 8-bit number which can be expressed as a lot more cleaner, as this is equivalent to DA in hexadecimal. This number, this length number is equal to DA in hexadecimal. Okay, so it takes less storage, it takes more storage. That's why people are using for more values, for larger values, people are using, our web designer or our digital hardwares are using hexadecimal only. Okay, now we have human readability. Readability means the reading quality. Okay, humans are most comfortable with the decimal system which has base 10 as opposed to hexadecimal which has base 16. Decimal, hexadecimal little bit same only, but hexadecimal have A, B, C, D, E, F, which are little bit confusing to human. That's why humans are most comfortable with decimal system. For example, in your mobile, in your calculator, all there are only 0 to 9 numbers only, not other than that. From 0 to 9 only we can make any number. Okay, in hexadecimal, no need of hexadecimal in our day-to-day life. Is this why humans are most comfortable with decimal number system. Now, what is decimal number system? A number system that we use in our day-to-day life is known as a decimal number system. As per I have told you, decimal number system has base 10 as it uses 10 digit from 0 to 9. Here I have already explained that one decimal number has base 10. Why it has base 10? Base means the minimum number maximum number it consists. Maximum means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It consists 10 digits. That's why it's known as base 10. The successive positions to the left to the decimal point represents unit, tens, hundred, thousand, and so on. Okay. Here we can see that decimal number system has a base 10. The 10 digits used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 10 in numbers. Now there are some characteristics of a decimal number system. What are the characteristics of a decimal? First characteristics, it used 10 digit, already counted. This 10 digits from the basic of formation of any other number and are hence called base 10. It can be form any number. This 10 digit can be used to form any number. That's why they have a base 10. No need of other numbers required. This can make any number in the world. We use this system in our day-to-day life. Therefore, humans are more comfortable with it. This system we are using our day-to-day life, because mobile we are using, in mobile also phone numbers are there. Phone numbers also we are using decimal system only. Calculators are also using decimal system only. And other TV remote, our laptop, and everywhere using our 0 to 9 numbers only. If we are using numbers, we are using 0 to 9 only. That's why this is day-to-day life use of our human being. To determine the value of a number, the 3 parameters mentioned below are considered. If any number you have to make from decimal number, the 3 parameters you have to learn. First, the digit face value in the number. Face value in mathematics you have already learned. What is the face value? The original value of the number. This is 231 means face value is 231. The base of the number system. First of all, what is the base? 10, 10, 10. Okay. First of all, you write the number. What is the base? 10. Base is a 10. That's why we write base 10. Now, position of the digit, place value. Each position represents a specific power of the base 10. Here we have base 10 because this is our base 10. Their position, it's which position it is? Ones, tens, 100. So ones position 0, tens position 1, hundreds position 2, because 10 to the power 2, hundreds, 10 to the power 1, 10, and 10 to the power 0, 1. This is a simple mathematics you should know. In decimal here we have, let us think about the number 231. As you can see, 2 is at 100 place, right? Then 3 is at 10 place. 1 is at unit place, which we known as ones place also. Okay. Now this 100 should be multiplied with 2. Like that we come 230 plus 1, 231. In decimal system, from one place value to another, it is a multiple by 10. For example, here 0, 10 are there, means no 10 means 1. Then फिर 1 10 becomes multiply 1. फिर multiply 1, 2 10s becomes 100. Like this, it will, when it will go from left side, okay, right to left, it will go, it start increasing the number of zeros. Okay, here we have decimal number system. characteristics of decimal number system. Now binary number system, we are using binary number system. Binary, this number system consists of a digit 0 and 1. In this system only two digits are using 0 and 1. That's why it has a base of how much? Only two digit, na? Base of 2. It is basically used by digital systems such as computer. Thus we can say that when we type some letter or word in a system through an input device such as a keyboard, the computer translate them into binary number to make it understandable. Okay? Alright. Understandable means we are, for example, you are of a different languages. Some are Telugu, some are Odia, some are Chhattisgarhi, like that. If we are talking with each other in our own mother tongue, Telugu, Odia and Chhattisgarhi, then it may be possible that other people will not understand that one. That there should be a mediator, there should be a translator which translate your answer or translate your words to them. So we need a translator, Translator will translate your Odia language to the Chhattisgarhi one. It will translate and it will make them understand what you are talking about. Like that only, computer knows only binary language, only binary number system. So when you type something on anything on your keyboard, like any word, anything, computer translate that word into binary digit, then it will be able to understand what you are going to tell it. Thus we can say that value of each digit in a number can be determined using our different values. Here we have some points: the position of the digit in the number, where it's a position, the base of the number system. These two things we should consider when we are determining a number system. Where base is defined as the total number of the digit available in the number system. Characteristics of a binary number. Uses two digit 0 and 1 in characteristics. First characteristics is use two digit 0 and 1, also called base 2 number system, as it consists of two digit only. Why we are calling it base 2? Because it consists of two digit only. Each position in a binary number system a power of the base 2. Now we have a need of a binary system. What is the need of a binary system? Computer do not understand human language and the decimal system. The underlying mathematics and operation that computer performs are based on binary system, because all the computer hardware, transistors and logical gates result is an on or an off state, 1 or 0. Because computer is an electronic device, it cannot understand your decimal number system or your human language. It can only understand on and off language. Okay, so yes or no, you're true or false, like that, on, off. So anything you will order or anything you will command to the computer, it will convert it in the binary number and it will do the work what you want to do. So now in place of power 10, power of 2 are used, because in decimal number we have said that power 10 you are using. Now here we will use in place of 10 2, because 2 is the base of binary number. Other things all are same. 2 is a base of binary number, that's why we are using 2 in every places. Now what are the places? 1st place, 2nd place, 4th place, 8th place, 16th place. Write that, not 16, but we can 0th place, 1st place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, 10,000 place. So 1's ka 0, 10 ka 1, 2, 3, 4. This power we will use 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 1, 2, 2 to the power 2, 4, 2 to the power 3, 8, and 2 to the power 4, 16. Now we add this number 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus, why 0? Because we are multiplying these two. Okay, 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 25. So we will get here a decimal number. This I will explain after this. First, this is only for your general knowledge. I will explain in brief in my copy. Okay, for example, if you have a binary digit of 1101, it is actually means 25 in the decimal number system. Decimal number system 25 we will write in binary, it will become 11001. How it comes, how 11001 comes, I will explain you further. Okay, just wait for it. So just to understand this binary number system, we need only on and off states only, 1 or 0. 1 stands for on and off stands for 0. Octal number system. What is octal number system? Previously I have explained. Octal number system which consists of 8 digits. That's why it has a base of 8. 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. Here is a conversion we can convert. Okay, because As you know, computer knows only binary number. That's why when you put an octal number input, it will convert that octal number into binary number, and it will understand what you want to say. The only difference is the change is the base. Same, everything is same. The procedure of changing or conversion is also same, but only difference is there. In decimal we have base 10, in octal we have base 8. Characteristics of an octal number. There are 3 characteristics. Use 8 digits. In octal number we are using only 8 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Including 0, there are 8 digits. It is a base 10 number system, as only 8 digits are used. Because here only 8 digits are using, we have a base, how much? 10. Now you can understand what is a base means. Base means the quantity of a number or the number of digits present in a particular number system. In binary we have base 2, in decimal we have base 10, in octal we have base 8. Like that only in hexadecimal we have base 16, because there are 16 numbers, okay, 16 digits. Last one, characteristics of a octal number. Each position in an octal number represents a power of the base 8. Here when we see that here each number indicates the power of 2. In decimal we have seen each number indicates the power of 10. So in octal number, which is a base 8, it indicates the power of base 8. Okay. Hexadecimal number system. This number system consists of a 16 digit, therefore it has the base 16. Same thing. It is used to represent a long binary and octal number in a shortened form. Why we are using hexadecimal means when we are using decimal numbers and binary numbers in the long form, in so many long big numbers are there, it can reduce them in a short one only. For example, I can give you here 25 we have written as 11001, but in octal number it is 25 only, but in our hexadecimal it is DA only, short one only. Okay, we can convert it in on a short process. Now characteristics of a hexadecimal number. What is the characteristics of it? In this we are using 10 digits and 6 letters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. 10 digits, 6 letter. Letter represents a number starting from 10, means A stand for 10, B stand for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, F for 15. As I have explained earlier, here you can see. Now it has base 16 number system, as only 16 digits are used. If it has base 16, therefore it's only have 16 digits only. Here we have one type of comparison between the 4 digits, here decimal, binary, octal, 0. 0 a number which has all same, 1 also same, 2 decimal, octal and hexadecimal up to 7 are same. In then octal after 8 to 9 these are same. These are some examples given to you. What are the number indicates which number in binary, in octal, in hexadecimal. For example, 10 in binary it is 1010, in octal number it is 12, 12, in hexadecimal it is A. There are different type of numbers we are using. Okay, now here is one thing, number system conversion. Number system conversion means, as you know, we have a 4 type of number. One is binary, one is octal, one is decimal, and another last one is hexadecimal. Okay, these we can convert our binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to decimal, hexadecimal, decimal, octal. We can convert binary to these things. We can convert decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. We can convert hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to binary, like this. One form of number system can be converted in all the 3 form by different procedure. Okay, here it was explained that arrows are shown in both way, means hexadecimal to binary also can, binary to hexadecimal also you can go in an interchange like this, decimal to hexadecimal, like 3 way they can travel to convert them itself. If the last digit of a binary number is 1, the number is odd, and if it is 0, the number is even. How to know a binary number is an odd number or an even number? For example, here we have seen 25, it is written 25. By looking the last digit, it is 1, then it will be odd. You can see it is an odd number. If it is 0, means it is an even number. Okay, for 0 it will come in even number, and how it works I will explain you now. Number system conversion. How to convert a number system. For example, 25 in binary it is 11001, in octal it is 31, in 19 it was 16. What we are writing is dash 10, 2, 8, 16. These all are base. We have to write because we have to show in which number system we have written this number. In octal, in decimal, in binary, or in hexadecimal. Okay. Now we'll start our conversion. For conversion I don't need this book, or we can use steps are given you. First we will read from here, then I will explain you how to do that one. Now first we will read about conversion from decimal number to binary number. Here we will read only introduction. That's why we will learn about only two type of conversion: decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Nothing else. Other octal to decimal, hexadecimal to octal. This all thing we will learn in higher classes, not in 7th standard. Okay. To convert a number in decimal number system to binary number system, follow the step in below. Given in below. Divide the decimal number by 2 and note down the remainder. Always, for example, here it is given 125. Okay, 125 it is given. We will start with decimal to binary. For example, you have a decimal number 125 bracket base 10. Base 10 indicates it is a decimal number. It told you to convert it into in what? Base written, but here it is a dash. Dash means we have to write. Base 2 means it will be, we have to convert in binary number. First step, what it was told? Divide the decimal number by 2, note down the remainder. First of all, you start dividing. What you will do? Start dividing. 125 it is there. Then 2, you start dividing, means 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. Then it will become 2 2 are 4. 4 means it is 5. Means what you get? Remainder 1. So inside wise you write the remainder. Then again you will divide 2, 31. Here remainder nothing, so remainder 0. Then 2, 15. Then remainder 1. Then 2, 7. Then remainder 1. Then 2, 3. Then remainder 1. Then 2, 1. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. Now we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. This is the dividing, and we have written the remainder also as per our step 1. Divide the decimal number and note down the remainder. We have written the remainder also. These are our reminders. After dividing, what remainder we are getting. Okay, like this you have to divide. Remember it. You have to learn it, and you have to do it in your exercise also. Divide the quotient by 2. Note down the remainder. Repeat step 2 till the quotient is 0. Write the remainder in reverse order of what they are noted, and this gives the equivalent binary number. When you got the remainder, these are your remainder. In this remainder you write in the reverse manner. Reverse manner means we have divided from top to down. Okay, but you have to write the answer from bottom to top. Bottom to top means what we have bottom? 1. Last one. Okay, until you get 1. Then we'll start here. 1 0 sorry, not 0. What we have? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. What? 0 1. This is our 125 indicates. Here you can see the number 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 base 2. What we got now only. Here also they have divided so many things. That 62 remainder 1 0, like this remainder is going on. You can write the remainder in a proper way. Now it is now different thing. Okay, these things we have learned what? How to convert decimal to binary. Now we will read about how to convert binary to decimal. Means now we have a binary to decimal. In this method, what we are telling, multiply each bit by 2 to the power n, where n is the position of the bit starting from 0 from extreme right, increasing the power by 1 for the next right digit. Okay, for example, you have a number of what? Here they are given 10 10 11. Okay, you have a binary number 10 10 11, binary number. Okay, base 2. We have to convert in decimal in this 10 form beyond. First of all, write this number in little bit gaps. count from, this is my way. In book also same way is given, but my way is a different one. You can learn it from here. First of all, from the right side you start counting from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you start multiplying and add. What we have to do? First of all, first number, this is our first one. 1 into 2 to the power n, they have told. N means what is the position? They are in the 5 number position, means 2 to the power 5, plus 0 into 2 to the power 4, plus 1 into 2 to the power 3, plus 0 into 2 to the power 2, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, then how we have done this one? May you understand, we have to all add these numbers by multiplying 2 with the place, in which place they are. 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 0. And we are multiplying with the same. 2 to the power 5, 1 number multiply, we have 1 multiply, 0 multiply, then again 1 multiply, then again 0 multiply, then again 1 multiply, then again one more 1 multiply. After this you have to solve normal mathematics way. 2 to the power 5, how much it will come? 2 to the power 5, it will become 32 into 1. Okay, then 0 into something, we don't know it to solve this one because it is a multiple of 0. 0 into something means 0 only. Then 2 to the power 8 means 1 into 8, plus 0 into something means 0, then 1 into 2, because 2 to the power 1, it will become 2 only. Now one thing you have to learn, that if any number has a power 0, any number, any big number, so big number also there, it has a power 0, it will become automatically 1 only, because 2 to the power, any number having power 0, it will become 1. Now you write the second answers. 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, now you add these numbers. After adding this number, you will get the answer 43. This 43 is your decimal form. How it will become decimal form? Because normal method is there, we have power multiply with this form will become your decimal form. Okay, understood this one? Conversion. For any conversion problem with that, I will send these photos to you. Okay, don't worry about that one. This is a conversion way. They have also given some examples. Same thing they have done. For example, this is a value of a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same thing they have given. 1 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1, 1 into 2 to the power 2, 2 to this one. All these things at last, after solving, what we have got here also 32, 8, 2, 1 they have got. I also have got 32, 0, 8, 0, 2, 1. They are also adding this one 43. I also add this one 43, but I have shown you in a simplification way. Simplification, what we are doing in mathematics, so that you can understand better. Okay, don't worry about this one, you can do well. One more example is given. Convert this to a decimal system. Same thing, same plus, same procedure. Okay, now it is our solvenary finished. We have learned about so many things in this chapter, and thank you for your time. I hope you all have understood well. If any doubt, you can comment. Thank you.